Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is tear into your link package, which I have started. Scx6. These are Treal, high clearance, lower control arm links, but this will basically show you how to change, replace any lower control arm links. You're going to go from opening these to removing all 4 tires on your truck. I wanted to add these are 7075 aluminum, and they're very nicely built. That's kind of cool too. I didn't even take the tires off my truck yet, and I told you guys to do that. But either way, and I mean, these are packaged awesome too. They were even double wrapped, so you're not going to catch anything, so you're good there. Alright, I'm going to take my tires off. Alright, so my tires are off, and I've got it flipped up just to kind of look at it, and I measured these links. They're the same length from the front and the back, so that was good. And then I looked at these, and I'm just going to put the writing out on each side, and I'm assuming that should be right, just in case there's any difference in the angles. I don't think they'd want you to have the writing in, but if you're doing the high clearance type link, the arch goes closest to the axle. Alright, so you're going to remove these two to do, say, this side, and then in your axle you're going to remove that one on both sides. How you do it, I guess, depends on how you feel like it, but you remove, the reason that we removed the tire was so that you could get to these better, and you can get to these ones anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and just see how it goes and let you know. So I removed this screw and this screw. You can see it comes right out. And I can't hold the phone at the same time, so I'm going to go ahead and see how easy the other one goes in. Alright, so you can see there's the screw. It went right in easy. I haven't tightened them up, but I just wanted to show how easy it was. I always worked on Scx10s, which is 10th scale. This is 6th scale, and everything's the same. It's so nice to like order a part and have it show up and have it be actually a big piece of something, whereas you get used to it not being so big. You see the Treal is on the outside in this case, so everything looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and put in that one on the bottom and take another look. There they are, all installed. Look how easy that is. I figure most of you probably, I didn't do a picture with the tires on because I figure most of you probably clicked off after the first link. Didn't really need anything more, but the Treal links seem really nice. They not quite half as much, but they weigh close to half as much as the stock ones. So you're dropping some weight down here, which I've added a little out here, which I'd rather have my weight out there and stuff anyway. But gaining this clearance here, so say your drive shaft can take a little bit more of a beating. So I'm going to put some Treal drive shafts in this girl probably next. So anyway, good luck to you all. More mods to come. I try to keep them short for you guys.